വിദ്യാർത്ഥികളുമായി സംവദിക്കുന്നു.
They can't buy. So that's the difference between the two ideas, at least at the national level.
Can we have the next person now?
Hi sir.
Hello.
My name is Prashya. My question for you is, do you think the Congress party is now in a crisis?
I think India is in a crisis. And it's a very serious crisis. What is the Congress party? The Congress party is designed differently than all other political parties in India. The Congress party is essentially a conversation. It is a conversation between all the different communities, all the different religions, all the different ideas of our country. It's an ongoing discussion. And what is happening is that discussion is breaking down at the national level, right? So everybody is looking after themselves and saying, okay, I am not going to have a conversation with the other person. So you have tension between Hindus and Muslims and Sikhs. You have tension between North India and South India. You have tension between states, between different languages. So that is the glue of our country. And that conversation is what the Congress party is about. The Congress party gets into trouble when the conversation stops. When different people in India stop talking to each other, that is our, how to speak, that's our DNA, that's our blood. So when everybody stops talking, we have a problem. So our job is to start the conversation between people again. India cannot survive if the conversation in India stops. As an idea, it will not survive. If Kerala suddenly decides we are not going to talk to Tamil Nadu decides we are not going to talk to Karnataka, Karnataka decides we are not going to talk to Uttar Pradesh, India is gone. And that is the challenge that India is facing. That is this anger that we are seeing. That everybody wants to defend their idea, everybody wants to defend their language, everybody is thinking about themselves. And it's happening across the world. So you see it not only in India, you see it in America, you see it in the Western world. We're passing through this phase. But for us, it's a very interesting time because we can rebuild ourselves, we can reposition ourselves, we can rethink about what we're planning to do, and we can come out with a new idea and a new vision. So yes, it's a difficult time, but it's a hopeful time.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Hello, sir. My name is Diya Nelson. My question is in connection with her question. So what can be done to reduce the price rise in petrol and diesel?
That, I mean, I'm supposed to be non-political, but that's, it's the governments that are doing it. So it's the government of India that is doing it. So you have to either get rid of the government or convince them not to raise fuel prices. It's a decision they're making. So there's not much I can do about reducing fuel prices as sitting in the opposition.
Thank you, sir.
Are you feeling a pinch from the fuel prices? Yeah? Tell me how. Do you ride a scooter, or your parents? How are you feeling the pinch?
Yes, I ride scooters, and I think it is not affordable to the common man. So that's why I asked sister. It is relevant in today's society. So that's.
We have been told that there's time only for one last question. So can we have that, please?
Sir. Can you hear me, sir? Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Referring to a statement about your women's safety that you told us, I have heard that you have learned Aikido martial arts. As this is a women's college, can you teach us some self-defense techniques for us?
Now?
Yeah. Just a small self-defense technique.
Teach you a small self-defense technique.
Like if somebody holds a girl's hand, how can we, like?
I can show you a principle.
Okay.
It'll take some time.
Yeah,
You want to
sure.
see a principle?
Yeah, sure.
How much time do we have? 10 minutes? I can show you a principle if you want.
Yes, we want it, right? You want it, right?
You want to see it?
You want it.
I mean, you're making me do strange things, but I can show you an Aikido principle that you can use in your life.
Yeah.
So I need any one girl to come up here. Okay, you come. Okay, I'll need one more girl right now. Okay, so I'm gonna ask you to do something. Take off your shoes. Okay. Sit. It's okay. I can touch shoes. It's not a problem. Sit down. Okay, what I want you to do is I want you to sit down like this.
Yeah.
I want you to put your feet flat and open them. And then I want you to do this. Okay? Now, come. Now, she's going to push you. She's going to push you. Wait, thoda piche ho jaye. She's going to push you. Okay? You push her. You push her here. But don't push her with a jerk. Push her slowly. You resist. No. From here. Like this. You resist. Can you see? She slowly. Push slowly. Okay? Push slowly. Slowly. Push. Right? Push. Push her over. It's easy. It's easy, no? Bhaiya, thoda hat jaiye so they can see. Can you see that it was easy? Okay, now I'm going to show you something. Okay? So now put your hands up. No, put your hands on your shoulders. Okay, now what I want you to do is I want you to take this wrist. First of all, I want you to change your position slightly. Okay? So what I want you to do is instead of sitting straight, I want you to take your back, keep your back straight and push your back in. More in. And open your legs, open your feet. Flatten this completely. Yeah. Okay, good. Flatten this out and keep the back straight. Okay, okay. I want you to maintain this position. Then I want you to put your hands here. Lean forward. Put the other hand there. Now I want you to keep these things together, and I want you to push this into her hand. Okay? She's going to push. Yeah. You lean forward. Don't lean back. Lean forward more. No, wait. You lean forward more. More. Okay. Now you push. Okay? I want you to do this. Now stand up. You take your position. Open. Okay. Remember what I'm saying. Your back has to come down and then you have to use this. Okay? Now can I have 3 more students? 3, 4. Come. I'm going to show you the Congress party now. Come. Now, put your hand here. The same way. No, you stand straight and put it like this. Okay? Go on. Okay, 1 second. You do what I told you. Lean forward. You go back a bit so you can push properly. Lean forward, look up. Now all I want you to do, remember, hold on. No, relax, hold it. All I want you to do is, when she's pushing here, you leave this hand open. Right? Yeah. Put your head up. Yeah. Put your head up. And when she pushes, lift this to the sky. No, slowly. No. Okay. Push. You lift to the sky. No. Look, put your back straight. Back straight. No, back in. This way. Okay. Yeah, more. Yeah. And open your legs. Okay. Open your legs fully. Yeah. Okay, good. Stand up. Now you put your hand on her thing. Yeah. Lean forward. Look up. No, look. Yeah. Now you push. Okay, now push. No. Hold on. Don't let them do that. Okay, stand straight. Open. Okay, open. Put it up. Look up. You have to look up and you have to put your back straight up. More forward. And look up. Yeah. Okay. Push, look up. You have to look up. Good. And you have to, 1 second, put this foot, flatten this foot. No, 1 second. You can't cheat. Okay, listen. Do it to me. Come. Okay, come. Look up, don't worry. You remember pushing this hand up, okay? You look forward and put your chest down. No, you have to push it forward. Look up, you keep looking down. Okay, now stand up and lean more forward. You have to make the, look here. Look at me. You have to make the triangle. This has to become a triangle. Yeah. Make a triangle. Yeah, exactly. Now come. Now put your hand. Now put it up and keep your head up. Okay, push. Lean forward more. Push into it. Yeah. Push. 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 What do you think of that? She's not tough. No, she's not. She's not. She is using your strength. She's using your strength. Now that's Aikido. You want to try it? Come. Come. Now you
സെന്റ്
explain it to
തെരേസസ്
her.
കോളേജിൽ വിദ്യാർത്ഥികളുമായി സംസാരിക്കുകയും മാർഷൽ ആർട്സിൽ ചെറിയ തോതിലുള്ള
I'm going to
പരിശീലനം
be in trouble with time today.
ഐക്യൂഡോ എന്ന ജാപ്പാനീസ് മാർഷൽ ആർട്സ് ആണ് രാഹുൽ
Okay,
ഗാന്ധി
flatten your
അവർക്ക്
feet.
കാണിച്ചു കൊടുക്കുന്നത്. അതിൽ പരിശീലനം നൽകുകയാണ് അദ്ദേഹം ചെറിയ തോതിൽ. ഏതായാലും രാഹുൽ ഗാന്ധിയുടെ അവിടുത്തെ പരിപാടികൾ തുടരുകയാണ്. ഒരു ചെറിയ ഇടവേളയ്ക്ക് ശേഷം തിരിച്ചെത്താം.